Hello everyone, I just wanted to touch base about the promotion during our open house. So again this year there will be the cash and carry promotion between April 23rd and May 7th. During the period there's also going to be free shipping for online orders over $250, so don't hesitate to do so. And for equipment and supplies, the early order is now available and out, so take advantage of the best pricing of the year. So contact your local store or sales representative for any questions you may have. So thanks again, and stay safe.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe and press the notification icon to get updates on new product videos.